What's going on, everyone? So another short quick video. Tomorrow what basically needs to hold on the SPY is literally it's going to be literally 450. So 450 is going to be the main level of support for the SPY for tomorrow. If we can hold that, then we can come back and retest 457.36, and we can come back and retest this upper level over here at 460.75. And then we could, potentially start trading back above it. But 450 for tomorrow is going to be a very, very important level for the SPY. The way that the momentum is currently moving on the indicators shows that there is potential more room to the downside. But literally, Bitcoin is very close to support. The SPY is also very close to support. We really just need to see if we cross down below. And especially since tomorrow is Friday, a lot can happen over the weekend again for Bitcoin. But just very plainly, 450, very important level of support for tomorrow on the SPY. Very important level of support for the NASDAQ for tomorrow is going to be basically 360.50 or 360. Again, you can see that the indicators are moving downwards, very similar to what was happening on the SPY. The blue MACD line is facing downwards. The RSI is also facing downwards. But again, everything is basically at support. So if we break down below these levels, then if the SPY breaks down below 450, then I'm going to lean more bearish. And if the NASDAQ basically breaks down below 360 to 360.50, I'll also be leaning more bearish. And over here on the IWM, it needs to basically hold 203.75. Aside from that, you can see that the IWM's MACD already crossed down below as compared to what the SPY and the NASDAQ, they're still about to cross down below. The IWM's MACD already did. So it's way more overextended to the downside in terms of the MACD indicator. So that is potentially a good sign, right? But now I just want to look at Bitcoin and really put things together. All right, so here is the Bitcoin chart that I was showing that we needed to really close above with strength, right? And it looks like we're about to come back and retest that level. For tomorrow, that level is basically going to be 45,300. But in general, 45,000 is going to be a very, very important level for Bitcoin. So also, very similarly on Bitcoin's MACD, you could see that it's about to cross down below. Very similar to the SPY and the NASDAQ, right? This is a much needed break, not a break, but a much needed rest. That's what I mean by break for Bitcoin to the downside. And a retest of this trend line would be healthy. And then a continuation to the upside is most likely, I'm not going to say most likely, but because again, right now, everyone is super, super bearish now. They think that this is going to drop down, but we have to just purely trade the levels. And until the levels show and give us any confirmation, at the moment, we're in a huge uptrend. So we have to just keep that in mind. But yeah, essentially, 45,000 is going to be a very important level of support. 45,300 is this trend line on Bitcoin. And then I also shared those levels for the rest of the indices market. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.